And happening right now, a rally on the steps of the state capitol.
Sammy Selena is there as pro-Palestinian healthcare workers speak out tonight. Sammy?
That's right, healthcare workers, they are gathering here. And of course, there's a complicated history regarding Gaza's hospitals. The World Health Organization says only a fraction of hospitals in Gaza are still functioning after bombings by the Israeli military, and healthcare workers are among those killed. Now, the Israeli military says that Hamas has hid weapons and have hosted military operations inside of those hospitals. But the workers here say there is nothing complicated about Palestinians having access to health care.
Israel bombs, USA pays!
Healthcare workers on the Capitol's lawn say their employers need to take a stand.
What's the problem?
They're asking Minnesota's healthcare systems to support the liberation of Palestine, aid their hospitals and their workers, and allow employees to openly voice their opinions.
We have been watching a live-streamed genocide directly targeting hospitals for over a year. I'm watching hospitals be bombed.
Alicia Garabunda is an organizer for Healthcare Workers for Palestine. Her group says multiple Minnesota healthcare systems have silenced conversations about Palestine. Their group says HCMC banned a Palestinian physician from teaching more about Palestinian health.
What's the solution?
HCMC called that a, quote, false narrative, and in a statement said, "We are saddened by the notion that hosting specific people or sharing specific messages is the only valid way to stand in solidarity. Activism takes many forms, and we all have the ability to contribute in ways that align with our own values."
There's a real, I think, feeling of censorship and repression. I think that a lot of healthcare workers are afraid.
Pediatrician Arthi Bott also showed up at the Capitol.
I don't think that's political. I think people do need access to healthcare to live healthy lives.
The group also says a webinar was taken down from Prairie Care's DEI clinical consultant, who they say mentioned Palestinian mental health. Prairie Care said in a statement that that presentation was never banned and, as a healthcare provider, supports a peaceful end to the suffering in the Middle East with compassion for all those affected.
The best upstream healthcare model is to stop bombing patients.
The Jewish Community Relations Council said in a statement, quote, "This peace can be achieved as soon as Hamas, the genocidal terrorist government of Gaza, surrenders and returns the estimated 100 hostages. Since Hamas launched this war on October 7th, 2023, these hostages have been tortured, sexually assaulted, and executed by their Hamas captors without any access to the International Red Cross." Back to you.
Thank you, Sammy.